Good morning. Taking that walk, you can see that beautiful sunrise and the reflection on the glasses. That's how you know it's a lovely day, a beautiful day to go and be you. You know? Whew, get through all the doubt. Just wake up and do awesome stuff. Have that childlike faith today. Yes. Remember when you were a child just waking up, just happy? You know, some of us celebrate Christmas. You wake up, you were excited. You couldn't wait to get up and just see the gifts. Well, guess what? Every day's a gift. So you should wake up excited to see it. Like, ow, I'm alive today. I can feel it, man. I can smell it. I can taste it. That's what it's about. You got to get rid of all that doubt, too. You know, I had a few doubts last week. We all go through it. What happened? Again, we got to be like kids. Kids ain't afraid of anything. When we were knee high, we could do anything. Who cares if the adult said, no, you can't? Yes, I can. And then something happens. We grow up a little and the world just smacks us. Man tells us we can't. God says we can. Man says we can't. And who do we listen to? We go and listen to man like idiots. Probably because we can see him. He's right there in front of our face. He can actually hit us. We're like, bam! Oh, man, that hurts. I'm gonna listen to you, man. And it takes a little time to find God, right? It takes a little time. But I tell you, once you do, you start listening to the right voice. The voice that says, you can. And that's the voice that says, I am that I am. So mind your I ams today. What are you? What do you want to become? And that's what we have to get up early. We have to get up early and start our becoming. You can do it. Have a passion to become. Have a passion for your future. Have a passion to embrace every moment that you can of this experience. Yes. Take advantage of your time. Use your power of order. You have the power to dictate and determine what you will do with your time. You can choose by putting in work today where you want to be tomorrow. I can choose where I will be in a year based on what I do next week. I can put in that work and create something that wasn't here today. That's what I need you to do. And I know you will, because you're with me, you're watching, you want it, just like I do. And we're gonna get it, because we believe. So we go to sleep with a passion, and we wake up with a passion, and every day we put in our work. We're not doubting ourselves because we weren't born with that. We got that from men. We were born with the spirit of get it done, baby. We're born with the spirit of becoming. The spirit to just do it. That's who we are. And I'm just going to remind you of that. Let's go, baby. Come on. Fire it up. Hearing the birds chirp. That's my reminder to myself. Just be simple. Pause in the moment. Calm your mind a little bit. Anxiety's running rampant. We need to slow down. We got to slow down. We shouldn't be feeling this way. We shouldn't be tense. We shouldn't be agitated. We should be at peace. We should be at one. We should feel harmony, you know? We're gonna get there. One sunrise at a time. All right? Don't forget to love someone today. But as always, you have to love yourself as well. Subscribe to the page. Check me out on Instagram at Mark Drew Speaks. Hey, stay motivated, baby. Stay motivated. I believe in you. Now it's time you start believing in yourself. All right?